and welcome to EJ Makes Us Six.
I'm Lorena.
I'm Ricky.
I'm Matt.
I'm Katia.
I'm Kiara.
I said it already.
What's your name?
EJ.
Look over the camera and say it.
EJ.
So, welcome to EJ Makes Us Six. I'm Lorena,
I'm Ricky.
and today is our final walkthrough of our rental home. So, we hope you enjoy this last tour. The day has come to say goodbye to our rental and just a quick empty house tour. Here's the front lounge room. The sign's up outside because it's up for rent. Carpets have been steam cleaned, vacuumed, etc. Hallway. And in here is the garage. Very empty. It's the garage. And then walking into the hallway and the laundry, linen cupboard. That's just getting cleaned. Kitchen. So there's the hot plate. There's the squeaky clean oven. Yes, mirrored splashback, I'm glad to say goodbye to. Pantry. Fridge space, kitchen meals area. I've just given the floors another mop, so I won't walk there. And then in here, so just another look. And then we're in the hallway where the bedrooms are. Our bedroom was down there, and then the other 3 bedrooms. So I'll go into this way. Ensuite, toilet, shower, bathroom, walk-in robe, which I never showed, and master bedroom, and then back out. This was Katia's bedroom. And this was Kiara's bedroom. Kiara's bedroom. Toilet. Bathroom. And then the last bedroom was Matthew's bedroom. That's it. Thanks guys for watching. It's an amazing moment to now say goodbye and thank you to this home that we spent nearly 4 years.
4 years,
yeah.
A lot of very good memories here.
Many family memories, birthday celebrations, through lockdown. So goodbye and thank you to this house. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.